Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea in a hotel room. First, gather your tea bags, a mug, and any sweeteners you prefer. Next, find a suitable water heating source, like an electric kettle or coffee maker. Always check that your chosen equipment is clean and ready for use. This simple preparation ensures a delightful tea experience, even when you're away from home. It's all about making the most of what's available. Now let's get that water hot. Fill your kettle or coffee maker reservoir with fresh, cold water. Avoid using hot tap water as it can contain impurities. Turn on the appliance and wait for the water to reach a full, rolling boil. This usually takes just a few minutes. Remember to be careful when handling the hot water to avoid any spills or burns. Safety first for your perfect cup. With your hot water ready, it's time to brew. Place your favorite tea bag into your clean mug. Carefully pour the freshly boiled water over the tea bag, filling the mug to your desired level. Let the tea steep for about 2 to 5 minutes. A longer steep means a stronger brew. Remove the tea bag, add any milk or sugar, and enjoy your comforting cup of tea. Finally, it's time to relax and enjoy your delicious homemade hotel room tea. Take a moment to unwind, perhaps with a complimentary hotel biscuit. Remember to clean up your area afterward, leaving it tidy for the next guest or your next brew. And hey, while you're making smart choices, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy brewing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.